Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As we are going to start with your preposition, that is very interesting topic. So, let's start with the meaning of the preposition. What do you mean by preposition? Preposition is a word that shows the relation of noun, pronoun, and the rest of the sentence. That tells about the relation of a noun and pronoun with the rest of the words. For example, meet me in class. In is showing the relation between me and class. Likewise, we will talk in these sentences. So have a look. Understand the prepositions underline the preposition in the given sentences. So you have to underline the preposition. Before doing this exercise, we will just have a look of the preposition, which one words are come or which one words will be count in the preposition. Okay, so that is in, into, on, off, across, under, above, behind, near, with, through, over, through, over, by, between are preposition. I'm repeating once again: in, into, on, off, across, under, above, behind, near, with, through, over, by, between are prepositions. So, first of all, we are going to start with the underline the preposition in the given sentences. In these sentences, you have the preposition and that word you have to be underlined. So, first is, there were 2 apples in the basket. There were 2 apples in the basket. In is your preposition. The beggar is sleeping under the tree. Under is your preposition. My grandmother lives in the apartment which is above the grocery shop. So here 2 words are preposition, in and above. She was getting into her car when her mother called her. That is into. The baby is hiding behind the curtains behind. The new stadium is near our house. Near. As you can see here in all the sentences, the preposition show the relation of the noun with the rest of sentences. So the baby is sleeping with its mother with. The train is passing through the tunnel through. The horse jumped over the fence over. Manya sat by the window. By is your preposition. As you can see in all the sentences, the words that I have underlined are prepositions, and that shows the relation of nouns and pronouns with the rest of sentence. So, there are few words that we find very confusing or that makes us confused. So, let's have a discussion about these words. Among and between. Among and between both are used in a similar way but at different places. For example, if we talk about the 2 personalities or 2 persons or 2 things or 2 objects, that time we have to use between. And we will talk about, if we will talk about more than 2 objects, persons or the things, that comes that use among as a preposition. So have a look. Ria is standing between her friends. You can see here Ria and her 2 friends are standing besides her. So Ria is standing between her friends. If the number of students or number of friends are more than 2, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, and Ria is standing in between them. Okay, so at that time you have to use among. Okay, if the number of person are 2, then it comes between. When we talk about more than 2, that time you have to use among. अगर आप 2 की बात करेंगे, 2 पर्सन 2 थिंग्स, किसी भी 2 पर्सन्स के साथ कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं, दैट टाइम यू हैव टू यूज बिटवीन. और अगर आप 2 से ज़्यादा की डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं तो आप क्या यूज करेंगे? among. So next is into and in. The basic difference is in here when we talk about into. Into में जब भी बात करेंगे आप, into preposition तब लगेगी जब आपको movement दिखाई देगी. when you are moving from one place to another place. For example, you are diving into the swimming pool. When we are talking about diving into the swimming pool, at that time the preposition is into because movement is there. And if you are already in the pool, there is a no movement, as you are already in the pool, that you use in. At that time you have to use in. Okay, we have talked about among, between, into, in. So next is beside and besides. Very confusing words. Beside means by the side of, means आपके बिल्कुल साइड पे, आपके बिल्कुल साथ, beside. और besides जिसके साथ आपने s का यूज किया है, in addition to means इसके साथ साथ. Okay, besides means in addition to. Okay, साथ साथ मतलब ये भी है वो भी है, ठीक है. और by the side of means near to और इसके पास या ऐसा कुछ साइन, और ये इसके साथ है. Come and sit beside me. आओ मेरे पास बैठो. Besides singing, I also like to dance. मुझे सिंगिंग के साथ साथ, when we talk about साथ साथ, that is besides. Okay, so we already talk about the three main points, that is among, between, into, in, and besides, beside. Okay, besides, beside. So have a look of the back exercise. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate preposition from the given words. Gauri distributed the sweet dash all children. You are here with the word all the children. They haven't mentioned the number of children, 2, 3, how many. So we will consider it among, more than 2 persons. Okay. Zoya has invited me dash her birthday party. In her birthday party? No, to her birthday party. Next is the diver dived. You can see here the movement is there. In or into? Into. I already told you that if there is a movement, you have to use into. Okay, so into the sea. The train is running dash full speed, at full speed. Has the bus arrived from the school? क्या बस आ चुकी है स्कूल से? I will wait for you dash the school gate, at the school gate. In क्या गेट के अंदर घुसोगे बच्चे? We will celebrate Diwali in October. If there is a particular month, so you have to use in. They should take care dash of the environment, of environment. What is the time? By your watch. In your watch kabhi nahi hota. He is suffering from. With suffering, you have to use preposition from. He is suffering from an infection. Besides reading, Tamanna is interested in painting. Besides means in addition to reading, Tamanna ko painting bhi अच्छी लगती है. Suman is dash her room, in her room, because there is a no movement. You can see here, Suman already room के अंदर है. Between Beena and Diya, who is better student? There is a comparison between two personalities, Beena and Diya. So here comes among. I have kept the pencil box dash the water bottle beside, because आपने उसके पास रखा है. Near to means है, so beside. Our school will be closed from 15 May to 30th June. हमारे स्कूल 15 तारीख से 30 तारीख तक बंद है. So from, there is a one clue here, that when there is a to and there is a two dates, before that from preposition you have to put. It's necessity, it's a condition. So you have a clue box, you have to use the appropriate clue as per the blank. Okay, so let's start. Where did you buy the shirt from? आपने ये शर्ट कहाँ से खरीदी? I asked him to deliver the letter dash Ashok to. मैंने उसे कहा वो लेटर अशोक को दे दो. Can you find a pen for me? आप मेरे लिए पेन ढूंढ देंगे. With whom were you sharing the books? आप किसके साथ बुक्स शेयर कर रही थी? It is raining. Come under my umbrella. बारिश हो रही है, मेरे अम्ब्रेला के नीचे आ जा. Are you fond of? Here's fond of. Always with fond you have to use of preposition. The waves dashed the boat against the board. The ball was hit so hard that it went over the fence. जब क्रॉस करके किसी चीज को ओवर राइड करके जाती है कोई चीज तो दैट इज ओवर. द रैबिट रैन डैश द ब्यूरो इनटू. मूवमेंट इज देयर. रैबिट बाहर से भाग के अंदर जा रहा है अपनी बिल्ली में. दैट इज इनटू. द सॉन्ग वाज संग डैश अलका बाय अलका. So this is all about your preposition. I hope you understand this topic, and please don't forget to like my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.